Muthenya umwe tu thutha wa ndeto kwiyumiria ati kuri na murimu kiriga gatagati-ini ka arutwo a thukuru wa airetu wa Starehe, riu urugamiri wa thukuru uyu ni wiyumiritie ari kuheana murugamo wao. Mwena-ini wake murugamiri wa thukuru uyu Jane Soita augite maumirira ma uthuthuria uratabanio ni ataramu kuma thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta manyitanire na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri nduonanitie murimu o wothe wina ndariri cirari na arutwo aria kurerikana marari na thina wa gukorora.
Children are not sick. The Ministry of Health didn't find any strain, a virus or bacteria that actually confirms that they are sick. So basically they needed just a rest, and that once we welcome them well, they will settle and life will continue as usual.
Ihinda-ini riu ministry ya ugima wa muingi ni irekereirie ndumiriri ya gwitikaniria ati thukuru tikuhingura hingirwo na arutwo aya ni marathurimwo meciria niguo kurana kiria kirathiaga na mbere. Soita ni ongereire ati thukuru uyu nduhingitwo no indi ni arutwo a irathi cia form 1 nginyagia form 3 mahetwo rutha kuria magacokereria muthenya wa mwambiririo kiumia-ini giukite guku aruna wa kirathi kia form 4 magithie na mbere na mathomo mao.
The measure we took as of yesterday with the directives and the support from the Ministry of Health was to give the students a 3-day break, and the students will be coming back on Monday, that is Form 1, Form 2 and Form 3s, to resume their studies and to do their end of term and end of year exams. The school is not closed indefinitely.
Ihinda-ini riu aciari aria mari na arutwo thukuru-ini uyu no mathiete na mbere na kuruta ciana ciao thukuru-ini uyu magitigira mari ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni murimu uyu.
Kulingana vile mtoto anasema ati sijui kuna monkeys zinaingia kwa dining hall wakati wa kuserve vitu kama hizo. Sasa sielewi nini inaendelea, labda sasa administration ituambie.
Ona thengia wa uthuthuria kuonania ati gutirari na ndariri o ciothe cia murimu thukuru-ini uyu, riu arutwo aria marahirwo rutha rwa kuinuka ni matanyitwo gacokereria mwambiririo wa kiumia giukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gicagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.